On today's video, we're going to replace this 40-gallon water heater with a 50-gallon water heater. First thing we do is we turn off the gas valve. We have to shut the water off. There's usually an isolation valve right here where your water goes in, but there's not one here, so we had to shut off the water at the main. So water's off. Go ahead and drain the dirty. Out of the way. Okay, here's my pressure relief. I'll take off your gas line for the last thing we have to take off. That's it. Get out the way. Now this baby's ready to come out. Okay, ready? Uno, dos, tres, ya. Okay. Your hot and cold water here. Okay, let's do our vent now. Alright, high pressure relief. Water in, hot water out. Your vent, gas line, pressure relief valve. Okay, now that we got it all installed, we're going to go ahead and light the pilot. Put the dial to pilot. And then you hold this down for 90 seconds. I'm going to go ahead and pause the video now and come back in 90 seconds. Okay, it's been like 90 seconds. And from the instructions, it says this button right below it. You got to hit it like 10 times. Let's go ahead and do that. You see the blue light flash there? So once that blue light is flashing, every 3 seconds, your pilot is ready. Now you set it to the temperature you want. So we're going to set it to like A. And you hear that igniter lighting? That's the sound we want to hear. There it is there. This water heater is, you ready to take a shower like in 30 minutes. Takes like 30 minutes for the water to heat. Okay, now let's put our straps on. Put your straps on. There it is there. Thank you for watching my tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and like.